If you want to add a product to your wish list in the Amazon app, then you've come to the right place. Hey there, here's a complete guide on how to add a product to the wish list on your iPhone. So let's dive right in. Before doing anything, make sure that you've installed the latest version of the Amazon app. Otherwise, update the app. After that, open the Amazon app, tap on the man icon. After that, tap on your list, and then tap on the plus icon to create the list. Tap on create a list. Now go back home, select your product, tap on it, and after that, come to the buying page. Scroll down, find the add to list option. Tap on it, and here you can see a created list. Tap on it, and your product will be selected as a wish product. So, this is how you can add products to your wish list. Otherwise, if you have any kind of questions, then please ask me in the comment section below. And don't forget to like our video. And thanks for watching.